The endpoints of segment ABC are A is -7, 0, and C is 5, 8, which I've already graphed. Determine and state the coordinates of point B if the ratio of AB to BC is 1 to 3. This is called partitioning a segment. We're breaking up a segment into a ratio, and we want to figure out, well, where is that point that breaks it up? So here is the super long formula that we use to partition a segment. The next part of it's y1 plus a over b being the ratio, parentheses y2 minus y1. So let's get started here. I always start from the point in the bottom left corner, which is A. It's the first letter that you have in your ratio here. Therefore, A is going to be the x1, y1. So C would be the x2, y2. So the x1, y1 is our starting point. So x1 is the -7 plus, now A over B is the ratio. If you think of it this way, point B, let's see, if it's AB to BC, okay, B is going to be like around here somewhere, so it breaks it up into a 1 to 3 ratio. So it's going to be 1 over, because I'm starting at point A, so I'm going to use the first number, the 1, but it's over 4, because if you think about it, I remember in class I would do this, I would draw like a segment, and A is here, and C is here, B is around here, and I would say, well, you know, this is a 1 to 3 ratio, so from A to B, it's 1 out of the total, which is 4. So make sure you always add the two numbers together to get the total, the whole entire thing. So 1 over 4, parentheses, x2 minus x1, so 5 minus a -7, which would make it plus 7, comma in the middle. Y1, 0 plus the same exact ratio, because I'm still starting at A. A is my starting point. Y2 minus Y1 is 8 minus 0. You could do it in the calculator, kind of do it in your head. I'm going to have to do it in my head here. So 5 plus 7 is the 12, comma 0 plus 1 over 4 times 8 minus 0 is 8. Okay, what do we have next? A quarter of 12 is 3. It's really dividing by 4. 0 plus, and remember, don't just put this all in the calculator. Well, not, I shouldn't say all in the calculator. This comma separates it out because it's a point. So you put the first part in and then you put the second part in. Okay. So -7 plus 3 is -4. 0 plus 2 is 2. So our partitioning point, B, should be -4, 2, which you can tell also by getting it from the graph. If you do choose to do this using the graph, make sure that you have markings on there so it looks like you did some work.